Alright, this is Greg and Steph Caldarella. First time we could say that. SCE Entertainment was awesome. That was like
Carks Landing.
Carks Landing. It was amazing. The one thing that we really cared about was DJ, and killed it. Jason Jani, amazing. Highly recommended. Great time. Kept the dance floor rocking the whole night.
Yep, and he did everything that we asked for. Everything was awesome. We
Great.
highly recommend it.
Took care of us the whole night. Amazing. Great job.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
SCE Event Group.